Stop scrolling. If you're a broke college student surviving on ramen noodles and vibes, this video might literally save your GPA and your wallet. But first, hit that subscribe button, because I'm about to teach you how to make $10,000 without selling your kidney or your dignity. Yeah, I know. Sounds fake. But trust me, bro, this ain't one of those buy my course scams. Alright, let's be honest. Being a student in the US is like playing life on hard mode. Tuition, $50,000. Rent, $2,500. Bank account, negative vibes only. So here's the deal. You can actually make $300 a day online. No sugar daddy, no pyramid scheme, no weird crypto cult, just real work. Let me explain. The internet is literally the biggest sugar daddy out there. It's ready to give you money if you just give it a little attention and skill. There are 3 things people pay for online. 1. Skill, like editing, designing, writing. 2. Service, like managing socials for lazy rich people. 3. System, like using AI tools to make their jobs easier. Okay, here's how you actually do it. Step 1. Pick a skill. Doesn't matter what. Video editing, copywriting, graphic design. Pick your poison. Step 2. Learn it on YouTube. You literally don't need a course. Just type, how to skill for beginners, and boom. Free Harvard. Step 3. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Step 4. Offer your service. Like, hey, I'll edit your videos faster than your ex left you. Laughs. Step 5. Get paid. And step 6. Flex gently. Don't be that guy who buys a gold chain after one client. I remember my first $100 online. I screamed so loud my roommate thought I got into Harvard. No, bro, I just fixed someone's PowerPoint for $100. But hey, money is money. Look, it's not gonna happen overnight. If you start today, you might not make $300 tomorrow. But in a few weeks, you'll realize you're making more than your campus job at Starbucks. And you didn't even have to smell like espresso. So stop saying I'll start next week. Bro, next week you'll still be broke and crying over your student loans. Start now. Learn a skill. Post your first gig and watch magic happen. The grind is real, but so is the Wi-Fi. If this video made you laugh and think, hit that like button, subscribe for more chaos, and drop a comment. Ramen to riches. So I know you're part of the broke student revolution. Alright, now go make some money before your mom checks your bank account again. Outro meme sound. Money, money, money.